Negotiating salary is important, whether we are starting a new job or looking for a promotion at our current one. We all know that we should be negotiating the salary. A survey was conducted by Salary.com and revealed only 37% of people always negotiate their salaries, 18% never do, and it is totally surprising. The irony is 45% claim that they'd never been asked about raise during their performance review. Do you know what is the main reason behind not negotiating salary is? It's fear. So whether you are male or female, in your first job or fifth, it's time to how to learn negotiate. In this video, we will talk about those points which can help you to negotiate your salary. And yes, at the end of this video, I'll give you a bonus tip. So let's begin. Point number 1, know your value first. You need to know your worth before a negotiation. If you don't know your worth, you will get only what is left. Based on your total experience and skill set, you should evaluate yourself. You can do this by online searching on websites like Glassdoor and Ambition Box, where people share their reviews about the company and their pay scale range, which can give you the idea what and how much you deserve. On this base, you can start your negotiation conversation. Point number 2, choose the exact number from the range. According to researchers at Columbia Business School, you should ask for a specific number. For example, 74,750 rather than saying 75,000. But don't use any range. It is strictly prohibited to give any range to your manager or HR. When employees use a specific number in negotiation requests, they are more likely to get a final offer closer to what they were hoping for. This is because employer will assume you have done more extensive research into your market value to reach that specific number. Point number 3, stay positive, not pushy. Negotiation may be scary, but you should always keep the conversation on a positive note. Being pushy can reflect your impatient behavior, which is not good for your growth. This is a conversation, not the end of your career. Discuss the possibilities of reviewing your compensation and make them realize that you have done something amazing for the company. Directly jumping to the raise part and pushing on it, then you may end up with something you don't want. Point number 4, show your potential. Before you start talking numbers, talk about what you have done and, more importantly, what you can do. Remember that your homework. Now it is your chance to walk through your accomplishment with your manager or HR. Highlight times when you have gone above and beyond in your role, which will build the case that you deserve a raise. Show your manager or HR what ideas you own and action plan you have for your next move, which can help your team and manager in future. Now it's time for a bonus tip. Study shows that you are more likely to get a raise if you ask on Thursday. Thursday and Friday find us most open to negotiate and compromise because we want to finish the work before this week is out. Discussion on Friday may be taken lightly because it is close to the weekend. Therefore, it is preferable to keep your important meetings and discussions on Thursday.